First, in the global settings, check the report server. Enter the project. Open from the configuration server. We have added the points in the database before. So this time we directly use the report function. Right-click the report. Click Add Page. You can choose the normal default report or Excel report. Enter the report name. Click to enter. Customize format. You can enter the report style you want to edit. Click File. Click on Event Definition. Click Add. You can choose once, daily, weekly, monthly, or expression format. Then fill in our report. Because we set it to once an hour, so we need 24 cells. Select Fill. Select Time. Select Event 1. Click OK. Select the cell. Right-click to fill. You can choose the install value, average value, integral value, differential value, maximum value, minimum value, etc. This time, select the install value. Add the tag name. You can customize the start number and interval number. Select the floating, digital, integer, and string. Time can be filled with date. Click Save. When setting the output, remember to select our event. Click Save. Click Save. Online Publish. After setting the report, we can add our button to the graphics page to jump to the report. Right-click the button, select Dynamic. Select Action. Select Open Report. Click OK. Click Save. Click Online Publish. Start monitoring. User login. After logging in, there are also some menus in the upper left, which has the function of opening reports. We can also use the button we just added to jump to the Open button. You can click to open the report above. You can also click the button to pop up our report. If you want to see the timing effect, we can adjust the time to a time that did not occur when the event is defined. And shorten the time interval. In the output settings, remember to select our event. Click Save. And then click Online Publish. Start monitoring. On the left, you can see the real-time report we have generated. Click on our latest report. And you can see the data that has been recorded now.